In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an order as complete, fast, and easy. Whether you're managing an online store or handling individual transactions, efficiently marking orders as complete is crucial for keeping your operations running smoothly. So let's go through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your website. This is where you'll find all the necessary tools and features to manage your WooCommerce store and its orders efficiently. Once you're at the dashboard, look at the menu options on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on the WooCommerce tab. WooCommerce is a powerful e-commerce toolkit that allows you to sell anything online with ease, and being familiar with it is key to managing your store effectively. After clicking on WooCommerce, you'll see an option labeled Orders. Give that a click. This will take you to the Orders page where you can view all your existing orders and their statuses. This page provides a comprehensive list with important details about each order, such as who placed it, when it was placed, and its current status, whether it's pending, processing, or on hold. To proceed with marking an order as complete, scan through this list until you find the order you've fulfilled and are ready to close. Once you've located it, hover over it to reveal several options that allow you to manage that specific order. Now you'll see the option to Mark as Completed near the Status dropdown. Clicking this option will update that particular order's status to Completed, indicating that everything has been fulfilled and finalized on your end. Sometimes you might have multiple orders ready to be marked as complete at once. In such cases, marking orders individually can be time-consuming. To expedite this process, WooCommerce offers a bulk actions feature. To use this, simply check the boxes next to each order you want to complete. Then, look for the bulk actions drop-down at the top of the order list. From there, select Mark as Completed, and then press Apply. This will update the status of all selected orders simultaneously, allowing you to manage multiple orders efficiently. Remember, regularly reviewing your orders and promptly marking them as complete not only helps keep your store's back-end organized, but also ensures accurate financial records and boosts customer satisfaction. Keeping this in mind can improve both your efficiency and your relationship with customers, who appreciate timely updates about their purchases. I hope this guide helps streamline your order management process, making it as seamless as possible. Thanks for tuning into today's video, and happy selling.